Hello friends, welcome to A to Z Dentistry. Programmed cell death is the term applied for apoptosis, gangrene, infection, necrosis. Apoptosis. Programmed cell death is termed as apoptosis. Cells that predominates the inflammatory infiltrate in the first 6 to 24 hours. Eosinophils, basophils, neutrophils, lymphocytes. Neutrophils. Which of the following is a stable cell? Hematopoietic cell, hepatocyte, intestinal epithelium, neuron. Hepatocyte. Hepatocyte is a stable cell. A manifestation of thiamine deficiency. Night blindness, xerophthalmia, dermatitis, psychosis. Psychosis. White infect is seen in heart, lungs, ovary, intestine. Heart. White infect is seen in heart, kidney, spleen. Identify the tumor suppressor gene. HER2/neu, RAS, MYC, P53. P53. It is a tumor suppressor gene. Gene for human leukocyte antigen is located on chromosome 1, chromosome 11, chromosome 6, X chromosome. Chromosome 6. Gene for human leukocyte antigen located on chromosome 6. Bends and chokes is the characteristic of amniotic fluid embolism, fat embolism, air embolism, infective embolism. Air embolism. A preformed chemical mediators of inflammation is leukotriene B4, prostaglandin E2, lipoxin A4, serotonin. Serotonin. Opsonins are essential for margination, transmigration, chemotaxis, phagocytosis. Phagocytosis. Opsonins are essential for phagocytosis. Queuling reaction is used for the diagnosis of pneumococcus, gonococcus, staphylococcus, meningococcus. Pneumococcus. Queuling reaction used for the diagnosis of pneumococcus. Which of the following is a transport media? Blood agar, buffered glycerol saline, nutrient broth, all of the above. Buffered glycerol saline. It is a transport media. Skin test used for the detection of tuberculosis. Schick test, Dick test, Mantoux test, Cassonis test. Mantoux test. Mantoux test used for the diagnosis of tuberculosis. Schick test used for diphtheria and Dick test used for scarlet fever. Bacillary dysentery is caused by enterotoxigenic E. coli, Clostridium welchii, Salmonella paratyphi A, Shigella flexneri. Shigella flexneri. Glutaraldehyde is ideal for sterilization of cystoscopes, linens, thermometers, all of the above. Cystoscopes. Paul Bernal test showing titer of 1:256 in serum is indicative of normal serum, infectious mononucleosis, serum sickness disease, cytomegalic inclusion. Infectious mononucleosis. All the following are mechanism of genetic transfer except transformation, transduction, mutation, conjugation. Mutation. Primary stain used in gram stain is carbonfustin, iodine, malachite green, gentian violet. Gentian violet. Holding time for hot air oven is 125 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes, 160 degrees Celsius for 1 hour, 160 degrees Celsius for 2 hours, 180 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. 160 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. The virus usually transmitted by blood transfusion is hepatitis A, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, all of the above. Hepatitis B. Hepatitis B virus transmitted by blood transfusion. Okay, it's all about today's topic. See you with a new video. Thank you.